Hello, everyone. Dr. Tony here. How you doing? This is going to be very quick. I've been getting a lot of emails from students in their fifth week. You're taking a look at your grades and you're seeing duplicates on the grade board. Some of them are not listing that you've done all of your work. Disregard that. Okay. If you've done your work, it is being recorded because you'll notice two grades. One of them has whatever points they are, and the other one is left behind. Well, they are being recorded. It's the system. We are getting that fixed with the onset of Canvas. So please, no need to send me emails. I will check everything from day one. The only time you're going to have a problem with this is if you don't do work. My suggestion to you on week 5 is to go back to week 1 and look at everything from week 1 to week 5 and make sure that all of your work is done and complete, locked, and loaded. Leave the rest to me. Another issue is professionalism grades. You don't have to do anything with them. Don't worry about it. There's no assignments to it. There's nothing in there. Okay. The way that I grade professionalism, for those of you that have asked me, and again, I've gotten tons of emails on this. If you do zero work up to 69% work, I usually don't give you anything because you're probably failing the course as it is, which nobody should be doing because you should be on top of things. If you get between 70 and 89% of the work done, then I just take some points off because you're not doing what you should be doing. Okay. At 90 and above, then you get the 100% on the professionalism grade. The key is stay on top of your studies, get the work done, get done on time. Go back to week 1 on week 5 and make sure everything is finished. Give the rest to me. I tell everybody all the time, trust me, trust the process, and you'll be fine. That's it. Thanks a lot. Continue your studies and stay well. Bye.